So we're out today, this afternoon, for Jack's birthday bash. So we wanted to get out for his birthday bash on his birthday, but we had a bit of poor weather down here. But now we're out. The weather has finally turned. Jack's got his car. It's here. Here we have it. Absolutely stunning. So as you can see, the fleet in the Hatch RC channel has grown. So Jack's got the Kraton 4S, and it's the 2.5 with the center diff. Thomas he's got the Outcast with the V2.5 center diff as well. So good old eBay. Really excited to get these out today. And my dear beautiful wife Anna is up there. She's got
my granite.
She's got your granite, is she?
Yeah.
You got the granite or something like that on it. But guys, we're going to get right into it. I'll let you know. I'm sure Jack will do a review on the Kraton. As you can see, this little crazy bugger has now got the Outcast. And depending on the outcome of today's bash, will determine what I get. I am leaning towards getting a Kraton myself, but then I kind of like the Outcast. Probably I've got to get both, to be honest with you guys. They're beautiful. They are beautiful. So, okay guys, so something else we've done as well, which I'll probably show in the video. Both bodies have been shoe-glued, and they've had 3 layers of drywall tape, probably, I think 2 tubes of shoe glue per car. So they are well reinforced. Something I should have done to the Mojave, something we should have done to the granites, but hey ho. Now the boys have got these, the granites will be used less frequently. We'll end up getting new bodies and doing it properly. I should have done it before. The tried and tested way is shoe glue with drywall tape. I did watch a video the other week on YouTube where someone was comparing, you know, like Gorilla Glue, E6000, and shoe glue seemed to win it. So guys, let me know where you're watching in for. If you're obviously watching the channel, please obviously tap the subscribe, tap the thumbs up and the bell for notifications when we do videos. We haven't done one in a while, I do apologise. Like I said, we've had a bit poor weather, but now it's come nice.
You said my skin?
Oh, what's happened to the other?
You said my skin? Oh, God.
Your skin?
Yeah, in the water.
Oh yeah, the viewers want to see the skin, don't they? You flipped it already. Okay, she's over. So Thomas has got a skin on it. Yeah, look at that. It's looking amazing. So let's show the guys. So obviously, yeah, proper shoe glued in there, as you can see. Nice and reinforced. Absolutely solid. So some existing wear from before, but yeah, we bought it off eBay. Guy had used it for a handful of times. The bumpers were a bit knackered, so I got brand new bumpers off, I think off Jenny's front and back, or was it maybe eBay? So yeah, because it was a bit battered. The back one was all scuffed up, so it's got new bumpers on it, Basher skin stickers. So aside from that, incredible little truck. What's happened to the Mojave? Yeah, speaking to Jenny's, I'm going to order a new body. And when I get my new car, this is going to be a project where, oh my God, this ain't going to last 2 minutes today. Look at the state of this, guys. She's looking absolutely battered. She's tired. Amazing. Oh, this is going to last 2 minutes. All these flowers. Look up there. No. Nah. I'm not going through that. Yeah, you'll scratch it up. You should jump it off that. That bit there, look. Right, who's going to catch me?
You want me to ram you, seriously?
No ramming. Non-contact.
How much does it catch me then?
So I can't catch you. Where are you, Anna?
You still can't catch me, Dad. I'm all the way over here. Come on.
I'll see you later. I'm going up there. I said I'm going up there. That's a good jump through there. In the dirt. Through it. Anyhow, through it. Anyhow.
Can I hit it a bit, tiny bit? this little bit there. Come on, can you go that way?
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh, sorry, Jack. That's it, Jack. That's it, Thomas. Don't use the top about.
Stand there.
Just don't do what I just did. That's it, Thomas. Nice, Jack.
Okay.
Yeah. Well done. Oh dear. Nice, Jack.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. You going, darling? Mum wants to go.
You go, Mum.
Right, coming through. So you go back, Anna. And you want to aim for the hump bit.
Can I go?
Where Thomas is, there, look. That's it, Thomas.
You balance it right out, won't you? That's slow.
Just don't do it with me. Oh!
No. You don't just like that. Come, you go.
Do the honours, Jack.
Go. Don't give it full foot on the ramp, though. I'm going. I'm going.
You see how you let off, you put the brake on and it nosedived then?
Will it do a front flip?
You've not got enough room for it here.
There you have.
That's how you do a front flip. That's it.
Why don't we let Mum go?
That, Mum, go. You're alright. Nice, Jack. Mum, Anna, go. So guys, hope you're enjoying the footage this afternoon.
You want to go over at the back now?
Thomas has realised now that he can't go absolutely crazy full throttle like he did the granites. These are more about control, and the outcast is, he needs to get used to a completely different animal to the granite. And obviously, as you can see here, the Kraton's landing and planting differently as well. And I'm just being a tit. Lovely. Nice.
Maybe it's a new beginning. Maybe it's the start of where it ends. I know. It comes down to all or nothing. This time is for real, we can't pretend. You know. They're closing in. And I don't wanna miss a shot. Adrenaline. So give it everything that you got. Don't stop. In your eyes, I see a fire. And I bet you're getting away. There's no going back, and I'm not gonna chase that.
No.
I follow, not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving you, I'm loving the chase. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving you, I'm loving the chase.
Nice, Thomas.
I think it's nice going round here.
I can feel the blood rush through my veins. You know.
I would,
Somewhere in the distance, the sun's coming up.
It lands nice.
The trees flashing by my side.
They both land lovely. The big tyres and the shocks really do.
The horizon never seems so close.
Yes! Go, Arrma.
What the hell? No. Why? That was coming.
You alright, Thomas?
Oh my god. They land so nicely, I can't. Still can't miss it. Where are you going? No! Why did you stand up?
That one's Captain's thing. Oh shit. Nice. Oh, I took a chunk of grass out then. Nice, Thomas. You corrected that. You alright, mate? You go on. Oh. Fastest thing. The fastest I've seen you move, Jack.
Fastest I've ever moved. Oh.
Nice, Jack.
No, what the hell?
What happened there?
It landed then. It landed then didn't land. No. No. No.
What's happening?
Why did it turn and you would hit me? Oh, that was a nice jump.
It's bigger, mate. It'll hurt. Oh shit.
No. I don't trust you.
Thanks.
You're scary.
What the heck's going? Nearly took out the batteries as well. That's epic.
Oh no. Please let.
Oh.
No, that's my fault.
My fault.
No, it's my fault. Oh.
To the moon!
Why are you going in the fly?
No.
Why?
No. Oh.
Oh. Oh my god.
This ain't the Dukes of Hazzard. What the heck?
Oh. Oh, he's gonna try to jump on my body.
Oh!
My car was right then, I moved it.
It's alright, Jack. It's alright. I don't kill you. Huh? You like it? Well, absolute success, guys. So I hope you're enjoying the fun today. Thomas and Jack both got the new cars, the Outcast and the Kraton, and what a difference. I really love the way the Outcast plants. Oh, well done. Nice one, Thomas. Almost. I love both the way both of them plant. As you've seen with my driving, guys, I just don't care. It's beans, beans, beans. The Mojave, yeah. These things just jump incredibly, and I'd never seen one in the flesh. But, I mean, appreciate the jump's not big, guys. But it's still good fun.
Oh.
Oh, nearly.
Bro, I love the way it jumps.
And the servo saver needs sorting out this because it's not turning so well now.
Oh.
Oh, sugar. Nice.
I'm not flipped there. Oh! Nah, I feel like you way every time because I know that thing's crazy. That didn't sound good. It sounded like it fired.
Oh, that don't sound good. Oh no.
No, what have you done?
No.
Oh, it's fine for you. It's stuck in there again.
Yeah.
Let's stop driving to your battery.
Tons of that in there.
How do I jump to my head?
Oh no, front diff gone.
Oh, he broke a diff.
Front diff gone.
Now it's rear wheel drive. Just why?
That's what it's meant for.
Did you just break the diff?
Front diff gone. Get it up.
What the fuck is that conversation to me?
Fuck.
How have you done that?
Guys, front diff's gone on the Mojave. That thing has taken abuse and absolute battering. And it's now gone.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it's when you land on the front must be.
Yeah, look, there's no drive now on the front, look. This side's going.
What's that going to drive? The granite. That's going to drive the granite.
Going now. Oh no, actually no, the diff hasn't gone.
What?
Pins come out.
Oh,
What?
it's gone, is it? Is it gone?
Okay guys, so yeah, when I noticed it the other week, in the front there, the pins actually come out. So the actual the clips come around the front wheel. Okay, so it's not the diff. Okay, so it's not the diff, it's drive shaft.
Back there.